Hello guys, welcome back sa aking channel, Dreamian Wookie. Kung bago ka pa lamang nito ay huwag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe para po updated ka sa mga panibagong videos ko about paano po tayo kumita online gamit lang ang ating mga cellphone or iba pang mga gadgets. At syempre, ang pinakagusto po sa lahat ay libre, so meaning ay wala po tayong ilalabas na pera. Ang pinakamaganda po nitong free sites at application ay tayo pa po ang binabayaran. At syempre, nagsishare rin ako ng mga videos na nakakatulong sa atin. So ngayon, isi-share ko sa inyo itong panibagong pagkakitaan natin. So bago po yan, huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe at like this video. So hello guys, welcome back sa aking channel. So ngayon, may bago na naman akong ituturo sa inyo. Itong bagong pagkakitaan natin, itong si happyfarm.me. So, isi-search lang po natin siya at isa po siyang website. So, kung wala pa po kayong account nito, scroll down nyo lang po at makikita nyo po dito yung create your account. So, ayan, pindutin lang po natin yan, yung create an account. So, ayan po yung registration form nila. So, be a happy farmer. So, ilagay lang natin dyan yung full name natin at saka yung sponsor. Sponsor means yung referrals natin or yung nag-refer sa inyo. So, pwede nyo pong gamitin yung referral links ko po na makikita nyo sa video na ito. So, tignan nyo na lang po at pwede nyo pong pindutin doon at gamitin yung referral links ko. At pagkatapos po, i-fill up nyo lang dyan or ilagay nyo lang dyan yung email nyo, yung active email nyo po at saka yung password at repeat password. So, pagkatapos nyo pong mag-fill up, pindutin nyo lang po itong CAPTCHA for verification. At pagkatapos nyo pong ma-verify yung account ninyo, pindutin nyo lang po itong create account button. So, mapupunta po kayo sa home ng happyfarm.me. So, ito po ang lalabas after natin mag-register or mag-login. So, ayan po yung announcement nila. So, new event for November. So, basahin lang po natin. More earning opportunities this upcoming November. As we are getting closer to Christmas, our bonus will also getting bigger. Start checking your balance from your dashboard or from wallet page time to time because you might be our luckiest farmer to receive bonus, PHP or XMR or FP and a cow. We will also be increasing referral bonuses and commissions for each verified referrals you have invited. Take note, creating your own referrals, dummy referrals, or using disposable emails might put your account at risk or even to permanent suspension. Event is valid from November 1 until November 31. Don't be sad, we have also prepared an event for the whole month of December 2020 and January 2021. So, X lang po natin. So, ayan po yung dashboards natin sa happyfarm.me. So, ayan na po yung account natin. So, hi, John Adrian Tabora. So, scroll down na po natin dito at makikita natin dito yung wallet natin. So, ayan, as you can see po, I have 25.25 pesos. So, sa pagka-sign in po natin dito is may makukuha po tayong 20 pesos. At saka sa pag-sign up po natin dito is may makukuha din tayong libreng 3 animals. So ayan, as you can see po, I have 3/10 animals. And my farm points is 105. So i-explain ko po yan later kung paano po makakuha dyan ng farm points at paano po maka-earn dito sa happyfarm.me. So ngayon, scroll up lang po natin at pindutin lang natin itong nasa upper left, itong may 4 na line. At punta po tayo dito sa my farm. Ayan, pindutin lang natin yan. So, dito po sa My Farm guys, is dito po tayo makakuha ng money at dito rin po tayo makakuha ng farm points. Ayan, my farm name is Farm 1. Number of animals is 3/10. So, pindutin lang natin itong Visit Farm. So, ayan po yung alaga ko guys. I have 2 chicks and 1 hen. So, as you can see po, nakasad po sila. So, it means po is nagugutom po sila. So, ayan po yung name ng 3 alaga ko, si Free, Tweety, at Gisela. Para po makakain po sila, pindutin lang natin itong I'm hungry, feed me. So, ayan, feed free. Free requires 2 feeds. You currently have 34 feeds. So, para po madagdagan po yan, pindutin lang natin itong get more animal feeds. So, feeds are essential foods for your animals. When you feed an animal, it requires specific amount of feeds to get full. So, solve this CAPTCHA every hour to get 10 feeds. So, copy lang natin yan yung nasa CAPTCHA na yan, very doubtful. Very doubtful. So, claim animal feeds. Pindutin lang natin yan. So, ayan, you have successfully received 10 animal feeds. So, pindutin lang natin itong feed free. So, ayan, you have received 0.10 pesos for feeding free. So, wait lang natin ng 3 hours para pakainin ulit si free. So, ngayon si Tweety naman yung papakainin natin. So, pindutin lang natin itong I'm hungry, feed me. So, ayan, Tweety requires 2 feeds. So, ayan, you have received 3 farm points. So, pwede po tayo makakuha dito ng farm points or pesos. So, ayan po yung history natin. Yung recent history logs. So, pindutin lang natin itong I'm hungry, feed me kay Gisela. And Gisela requires 4 feeds. So, wait lang po natin. So, ayan, you have received 0.15 pesos at wait lang natin ng 4 hours para pakainin ulit si Gisela. So, ngayon, punta naman tayo dito sa dashboards natin at tignan natin yung wallet natin. So, ayan, my total balance is 25.50 pesos. At sa farm points naman is 108 points. So, ngayon, punta naman tayo dito sa missions. So, scroll down na po natin dito at makikita natin dito yung main missions. So, as you can see po, my mission is already verified. So, meaning po yan, natapos ko na po yung task. So, ayan po yung task niya sa description. Feed your primary animals at least 3 times to get verified. So, accomplish 3 out of 3. So, take note lang guys, hindi po kayo makaka-payout pag hindi po kayo natapos sa missions na ito. At hindi rin ma-verify yung account ninyo. So, ganun lang po kadali dito sa mission sa happyfarm.me. So ngayon punta naman tayo dito sa encoding. Sa encoding naman, isa po ito sa ways of earnings nila dito sa Happy Farm. So enhance your typing and encoding skills by encoding letters in Happy Farm. You will be given a maximum 100 encoding letters to solve every day. Encoding stats, encoding points or ECP, 3,650 ECP is equal to 50 pesos. My current ECP is 147. So, 3,650 ECP is equal to 50 pesos. So, para po makakuha ng ECP is kailangan po natin itong sundin itong letters na ito na nasa image na ito or itong captcha na ito. So, kailangan lang natin sundin yan. So, ayan, you have received 1 ECP. So, another one. Let's try another one. So, mabilis lang yung next captcha niya. Wala po siyang time interval. So, ngayon, scroll up lang natin at punta naman tayo dito sa mining camp. XMR information. Your XMR is 0.00 XMR. Convert XMR to pesos. Minimum convertible amount is 0.03 XMR. Happy Farm Miner, start mining now. Hit the button below itong start mining. So ito po yung tips niya. Allow your Happy Farm Miner to work at least 38 to 40 minutes to update your XMR balance on your account. The XMR you gain from mining will be automatically saved every 38 to 40 minutes. If you wish to stop your mining, you may simply close this page. So ayan, pindutin lang natin itong start mining. So, ayan, wait lang natin ng 38 to 40 minutes para po pumasok siya sa XMR balance natin. So, ngayon, punta naman tayo dito sa market. So, sa market naman, dito po tayo bibili ng animals or farmed land. So, scroll down lang natin dito at makikita natin dito ang buy farm animals. Prices and points may vary depends on the demand. Stay tuned for promos. So, sa animal type naman, meron ditong baby chick at hen. So, sa description sa baby chick, randomly gives you 0.10 pesos or 3 farm points. Feeding interval is 3 hour, consumption 2 feeds. So, ito po yung price niya, 50 pesos or 350 farm points. So, sa hen naman, randomly gives you 0.15 pesos or 5 farm points. So, feeding interval is 4 hours and consumption of feeds is 4. So, yung price niya is 100 pesos or 500 farm points. So, meron pa mga ibang animals dyan. So, scroll up lang natin at punta naman tayo dito sa referrals. So, what is it on me? Every time your referral feeds an animal, you will receive a 50% lifetime referral commission. If your referral purchase a land or an animal from the market, you will receive 100 farm points or FP for every successful transactions. You can use the farm points or FP to buy loads. So ayan, copy and paste. Aside from 20 pesos registration bonus, I'm giving you a 1 farm, 2 chicks, and 1 hen just by signing up on Happy Farm. So no fees required guys, totally free. Use this link to sign up for free here. So you can use my referral link guys na makikita nyo sa video na ito. So again, using my referral links or other referral links, you will have 20 pesos bonus, 1 farm, 2 chicks, and 1 hen. invite your friends. So, ayan po yung referral code ko. So, mas maganda po kung yung link yung pinindot nyo kasi madadirect agad kayo sa site sa Happy Farm. So, kung naghahanap po kayo ng code, pwede nyo pong gamitin yung code ko. So, ayan, may referrals. Actually, wala pa po akong na-refer or na-invite dito sa Happy Farm. So, ngayon, punta naman tayo dito sa games. So, dito po sa games na ito guys, hindi po tayo makaka-earn dito. So, ayan, getting bored of waiting, play our games while waiting for your animal countdown to get finished. So, pwede po kayo maglalaro dito guys habang nag-aantay para pakainin yung alaga natin. So, ayan po yung mga games niya na pwede nating laruin. So, scroll up lang natin at punta naman tayo dito sa wallet. Ayan, pindutin lang natin yan. Sa wallet naman is dito natin makikita yung withdrawal request nila. So, ayan po yung wallet ko, 25.50 pesos. My FP is 108 at my XMR is 0. So, scroll down lang natin ng kaunti at makikita natin dito ang payment withdrawal nila. So, ayan po yung PayPal. So, the minimum withdrawal sa PayPal is 50 pesos. So, ilagay lang natin dyan yung enter amount. So, ayan, PayPal email at saka yung password natin dito sa happyfarm.me. So, meron din sila ditong Palawan Express. So, the minimum withdrawal nila dito sa Palawan is 250 pesos. So, enter nyo lang dyan yung amount ninyo at receiver's complete name, receiver's contact number, at saka receiver's complete address at password nyo sa Happy Farm. So, meron din silang load or e-load. So, available network nila is TM, Globe, and Smart. So, sa load naman, 50 e-load for 50 pesos sa wallet ninyo or 50 e-load for 200 FP or farm points. So, kung gusto nyo pong mag-request sa load, ilagay nyo lang dyan yung password nyo at ayan, XMR2PHP. So, ngayon, scroll up lang natin. Napunta naman tayo dito sa settings, yung last nila. So, ayan, pindutin lang natin yan. So, dito naman sa settings guys is dito natin makikita yung personal informations natin. So, as you can see, my account status is already verified. So, pwede po tayo mag-change password dito. So, yun lang po lahat guys. Kung may katanungan po kayo, just leave your questions on the comment section box. Or you can message me through my Facebook or Gmail. Huwag po kayong magdalawang isip na mag-register dito sa Happy Farm guys kasi sobrang legit po itong site na ito. Kasi yung kaibigan ko naka-payout na po siya dito 4 times. So ipapakita ko muna sa inyo. So ayan po yung proof of payout guys dito sa Happy Farm. So thank you kay Ian Vincent Castelio Abejo for sharing this to me. So thank you talaga bro. So, sobrang legit po talaga dito sa site na ito guys. So, ano pa ang hinihintay ninyo? Go na at mag-register na po dito sa Happy Farm. So, yun lang po lahat guys. Goodbye and happy earnings. God bless. Mwah!